You get that passion for working on historic buildings like this, and once it gets into you, that's, you know, you just want to carry it on, sort of thing.
I just fell in love with the buildings and the stories behind them, and finding out how the workmanship was done in the past and sort of how we can then replicate that now going forward.
To finally work on a place like this, it just blows out of proportion of what actually went on back hundreds and hundreds of years ago and what actually went into building a place like this.
We don't know everything that they knew 500 years ago, 1,000 years ago, so a lot of the skills have been lost. We're researching them and finding out and learning more as we go. So we do have the basic core masonry skill sets, but when it comes to restoration and conservation, we're learning all the time.
Conservation work is a lot like that. Although it's nice for us to come in and replace things and put things back to how they should be and in fully working order, it's also nice to know that someone else's work lives on just a little bit longer and keeps a bit of history in the building.
Keeping these old traditional crafts going is what will make these buildings carry on, and when you stand back you can see why we're here, and you do feel special in what you're doing and preserving it as well. It's second to none, really.
To be part of that and to be able to say, you know, especially bringing my kids up here to have a look around and tell them that we've actually been part of the story of Wentworth, yeah, it's very rewarding.
It's a lifelong job. It's a full-time career where you don't ever have to leave it. It's a never-ending love for a thing like masonry. There's just so many different things you can focus on, and you just always find a love for it.